Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Wildest Dreams on the violin. To begin, you'll want to find a good sheet music arrangement, which is commonly available in the key of G major. Take some time to listen to the original song and get a feel for its dreamy, flowing melody. Before you even touch your bow, make sure your violin is perfectly in tune. This foundational step is crucial for a beautiful sound. The heart of Wildest Dreams lies in its expressive melody. Focus on using long, smooth bow strokes to create a connected, singing tone, especially for the main theme. Practice each phrase slowly, ensuring every note is perfectly in tune. As you gain confidence, incorporate a gentle vibrato on sustained notes. This will add a beautiful warmth and depth to your sound, truly bringing the music to life. Rhythm and dynamics are essential for a captivating performance. The song typically moves at a moderate pace, around 138 beats per minute, so a metronome can be very helpful. Pay close attention to the dynamic markings in your sheet music, varying your bow pressure to create contrasts between soft and loud passages. Experiment with a little rubato or flexible tempo in expressive moments to add a personal touch and deepen the emotional resonance. Consistent practice is key to mastering this piece. Divide the song into smaller, 2 to 4 measure sections and work on each one until it feels comfortable. A great tip is to record yourself playing. Listening back can reveal subtle nuances and areas for improvement you might otherwise miss. Finally, don't be afraid to perform for a small audience. This helps build confidence and prepares you for sharing your beautiful music.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.